Hey everyone! Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly your car starts shifting weirdly, maybe delayed, rough, or even stuck in one gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0988. This code points to a shift solenoid eye control circuit high, meaning your transmission isn't getting the right signals for smooth gear shifts. This code points to a shift solenoid eye control circuit high, meaning your transmission isn't getting the right signals for smooth gear shifts. In this video, I'll explain what P0988 means, where to find the key sensors, and how to fix it. Let's get started. In this video, I'll explain what P0988 means, where to find the key sensors, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0988? DTC P0988 stands for Shift Solenoid Eye Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, controls gear shifts by sending voltage to shift solenoids inside the transmission. If there's high voltage in the circuit for shift solenoid I, your car may have shifting issues, poor acceleration, or even enter limp mode. Symptoms of P0988. If your car has this error code, you might notice delayed or rough gear shifts, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light gear, slipping or unpredictable shifts, reduced fuel efficiency sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0988, you need to locate these components. Shift solenoid eye location. Inside the transmission valve body under the transmission fluid pan. Function. Controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear changes. Transmission control module, TCM. Location. Typically found under the dashboard, near the battery, or on the transmission case. Function. Sends voltage signals to the shift solenoids to manage gear shifts. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case, near hydraulic lines. Function. Measures fluid pressure and ensures proper shifting. Wiring and connectors for shift solenoid circuit location. Runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function. Transmits signals between the solenoid and control module. What causes P0988? 1. Faulty shift solenoid I. Solenoid is stuck or receiving excess voltage. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, corrosion, shorts, or broken wires. 3. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect signals. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causing shifting issues. 5. Defective transmission fluid pressure sensor, incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0988? Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If it's low or dirty, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose wiring near the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test the shift solenoid. I remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3-10 ohms. Replace if faulty. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for other transmission-related codes. If necessary, update or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0988 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10-15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If you see P0988, your shift solenoid eye circuit has high voltage, which can seriously affect your transmission. Fixing it early will prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0843, transmission fluid. Pressure sensor. Circuit high P0844, transmission fluid pressure sensor circuit intermittent. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.